How to use credits on CNFans. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use credits on CNFans. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser and search for cnfans.com. Hit enter and this is their official website. So after you're on your CNFans, what you'll then need to do is make sure that you log in into your account. Then you can hover over to your profile icon on the top right corner, tap on it, then head over to My Wallet. Tap on My Wallet, and after you're on My Wallet, right here you will find an option that says Your Credits. It's right below your wallet. Tap on My Credits. After you do that, you will see all of your credit details. You'll also see your redeem record. And now what you'll need to do after you're on your credit details is to redeem your products. To use your credits, you'll have to redeem your products. So tap on redeem products. And after you tap on redeem products, what you'll then need to do is you'll actually get an option, a text area where you will need to enter the product link. Simply type in the product link that you want to get, and after you do that, you'll be able to redeem that product using your CNFans credit. And that's basically how you use your credits on your CNFans, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.